Hi guys, and this is a new cool tutorial about the TikTok app. Today we will show you how to add moderators on TikTok Live. So these moderators can control your content, can control comments and other people when your lives and during your streaming. So if you want to add these moderators to your account, let's go to the TikTok app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Later we need to scroll and stop on the live section. Remember that this option isn't possible for everyone, but if you have this feature like lives, you can go to the settings option to manage your moderators. Right now we don't have any moderators on our channel, but we can smoothly add them after tapping on the top icon. Right now we have the list of all our TikTok friends, and also we can choose the search option to find the needful account. But as an example, I will choose this account. So to add these users as your moderators, let's pick on the add option or beside them. I will choose, as I said, these two accounts, and later let's pick on the arrow. Perfect, well done. As you can see, right now we have two moderators. Don't forget that you can remove them when you want after clicking on the bottom opposite. Perfect, so I hope that right now you know how to manage this moderators list and you can create cool lives after. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!